Assalamu alaikum 7th class students. D2 math exercise number 1D question number 9 today. Yes students, what question number 9 says, have a look. If y is inversely proportional to 2x plus 1 and the difference in the values of y when x is equal to 0.5 and x is equal to 2 is 0.9, find the value of y when x is equal to 0.25 minus 0.25. This is the second part. We will do it again later, but first of all we will solve this one. If y is inversely proportional to 2x plus 1, the relation between y and 2x plus 1 is inverse, and we have two values of x. First of all we have to put x value and find the value of k. Then we have to put this x value and find the value of k. Then we have to find the difference between those two values of k, that is the difference is equal to 0.9. As students, you know y is inversely proportional to 2x plus 1. Now we will write the relation between y and 2x plus 1. Y is inversely proportional to 2x plus 1. So we will remove the sign and place any constant. Y is equal to k by 2x plus 1. Now we have to find the value of k by placing the value of x. As you know, we have two values of x. First of all, we will place 0.5 and then x is equal to 2. Now by placing this value, y is equal to k by 2 into 0.5 plus 1. 0.5 into 2, that will be equal to 1, and 1 plus 1 will be equal to k by 2. So k value we got, y value we got k by 2. So when x is equal to now when x is equal to 2, we have to place the value in that equation. This one, y is equal to k by 2 into 2, because x value we have placed, plus 1. So y is equal to k by 4 plus 1. In this way, y is equal to k by 5. We got the second value of y. Now what to do? Now we have to find the difference between the y values, as they have told us that, and the difference in the values of y when x is equal to 0.5 means, first of all we have to place x is equal to 0.5 and then x is equal to 2. We got two values of y. First value is k by 2 and second value is k by 5. So now we will take the difference. The difference is equal to 0.9, and let's have difference in the values of y is 0.9. Difference we will take, that is k by 2 minus k by 5. K by 2 minus k by 5, the difference between the two values of y is equal to 0.9. We will take LCM now. Its LCM is 10. 5 times 10, so 5k minus 2 times 10, it's 2k, is equal to 0.9. Subtract now, that will be 3k by 10 is equal to 0.9. So we will divide it now, 3 by 10, that will be 10 10 3 times 30, which means we got 0.3k is equal to 0.9. we students basically want to find the value of k, so we will divide by 0.3 on both sides. On both sides it is divided 0.3. Both are cancelled. 0.3 and 0.9 k will be equal to it will be equal to 3. So k value we got, that is equal to 3. Now we will move towards part 2. There they said that find the value of y when x is equal to minus 0.25. Now we have to find the value of y, because k value we already found. So when x is equal to minus 0.25, so then we have to find the value of y now by placing the values of x in the same equation, just like that. So y is equal to, k value is 3, direct we will put 3 by 2 into x is equal to 0.25 plus 1. It will be equal to, if we will multiply them, and we will get minus 1 by 2 plus 1. After multiplying we got minus 1 by 2, and now we will take LCM in denominator. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 by 1, 2, and 2, 1 plus 2. So y is equal to 3 by over 3 by 2. Sorry, it's negative sign, so it will be 1 by 2. So we will multiply, it means reciprocal. So reciprocal will be multiplied, 3 multiplied by 2 by 1. So y value, what we got? We got y is equal to 6. So this is students question number 9, exercise number 1D. So it's very easy question, students. You have already done with these methods, means inverse proportion. So you will practice it frequently at home and you will solve on your register. Let's move towards question number 10 now. Let's move towards question number 10 now. Y is inversely proportional to x square and y is equal to b for a particular value of x. Find an expression in terms of b for y when this value of x is tripled. Okay, so y is inversely proportional to x square and y is equal to b, means relation between y and x square is inverse. Y value is given, that is b, and for a particular value of x, find an expression in terms of b for y when this value of x is tripled. Now move towards this solution. As we know, y is inversely proportional to x square. Students, there is one new method that I want to introduce you. That is a very easy method. We can apply here k value finding k method as well. But one more method is there. I wanna just today introduce you. That is, we will let them first value of x is x1, second value of x x2, first value of y y1, and second value of y y2, and we can take them equal, we can compare them, and in this way it's very easy method to solve the values of y or x or whatever. So in that method, x2 y2 is equal to x1 y1. With that method which we are going to use, that is x2 y2 is equal to x1 y1, मीन्स जो बाद में वैल्यूज़ होती हैं ना उसको हम x2 और y2 ले लेते हैं, जो पहले हमारे पास गिवन वैल्यूज़ होती हैं उसको हम x1 y1 ले लेते हैं. लेट्स मूव. but here y is inversely proportional to x square, so that's why we have to take its square on both sides, x square. Fine. So first value of y is given first, that is b. y1 is b and x1 is x square, means x, you can say x square, and x2 is particular value of x. For a particular value of x means we will let it x. Fine, we let it x, and expression in terms of b for y when this x is tripled. Okay, here x2 we have to find, means second value of x we have to find, that will be tripled. That will be tripled, mean that will be 3x square, and y2 will be equal to y because we want to find. So it's again going to just clear you this thing. फर्स्ट वैल्यू जो y की होती है ना, वो हम पहले पुट कर लेते हैं. फर्स्ट वैल्यू जो पहले ही होगी, मीन्स y की यहाँ पे आपको पहले वैल्यू कौन सी नज़र आ रही है, b है, वो हमने प्लेस कर ली, उसको हम y1 कहेंगे. उसके बाद हम x1 मीन्स जो x की पहली वैल्यू होगी वो क्या है, दैट वी एक्चुअली वी हैव टू लेट इट, यानी हमें लेट करनी है, बिकॉज उन्होंने कहा हुआ है दिस सेड फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर वैल्यू ऑफ x, तो वो हम खुद से x ही पुट कर ली और x स्क्वायर x पुट की और x स्क्वायर इज गिवन. y2 हमने y पुट की बिकॉज वी वांट टू फाइंड द वैल्यू y, दैट्स वाई वी विल टेक इट y. आफ्टर दैट x2 मीन्स सेकेंड वैल्यू ऑफ x की पहली वैल्यू लेट करनी थी, सेकेंड इज गिवन, सेकेंड इज ट्रिपल्ड ऑफ x, ठीक है, तो उसको हमने 3x ट्रिपल्ड मीन इफ x की जो फर्स्ट वैल्यू है वो x हो और ऑब्वियसली जब उसको ट्रिपल किया जाए तो दैट विल बी 3x, तो वो 3x हो जाएगी. स्क्वायर इज गिवन, नाउ ओपन स्क्वायर, दैट विल बी 9x स्क्वायर, y इज इक्वल टू x square b. What we want to find? Basically we want to find the value of y, so we will divide by 9x square on both sides. This is cancelled here, y is equal to cancelled, it will be b by 9. So y will be equal to 1 by 9b. This was the required value which we wanted to find, we have found now. Students, very easy question, question number 10, exercise number 1D, advanced level. We have solved it today. In today's lecture, we solved question number 9 and 10. It's very easy questions. Practice it frequently. Solve on your register. Inshallah, I'll check this method because this very first time I have used this method in lectures, so it's also very easy method. So inshallah in next lecture we will start question number 11 and second unit 2E. Till then, Allah Hafiz.